I would like to personally welcome each of you and thank you all for being here as we honor the 2023 graduates of the TMA Related Theory Apprentice Training Program.
Your journey as an apprentice is coming to an end, but your career and your life as a mentor is just beginning. My humble request is that you do your very best to be an active advocate for our skilled trades. Take the time to introduce young people to manufacturing like Zeke did for me. Ignite a spark that creates the next generation of manufacturers. Thank you again, and congratulations.